So that's what I do when I go on a trip. I leave the house clean and tidy, leave some fresh flowers, put them on the table. And just make sure that we leave with some good vibes. It's what Paul and I always used to do. Leave the flat spotless. Tidy it all up. All the washing done. All the domestic stuff done. All the recycling done. Nothing left to come back to. It's all clear inside, you know. So I'm off to see Sandy tomorrow in Wiltshire, in Swindon. And you know, I approach it with the right heart and the right mind. And that's what you need to do when you go on expeditions or go on trips or meet people. Just take the right frame of mind with you. Alright.
Nice place to wake up to, isn't it?
Beautiful place to wake up to. Especially with shards of light like that. Let's go and take a look at Sandy. Cozy. Morning, Sandy.
Morning, Mark. How are you?
Alright there, bro. Pretty good.
Did you sleep well, did you?
I did.
I didn't hear much noises last night.
No,
No way you're snoring or anything like that, or rustling or anything.
I'm not a snorer.
Oh, did I snore much?
No, not a sound, mate.
Didn't I?
No. A perfect night in the woods.
I do often snore if I'm on my back.
Oh, right.
I went onto my side, slept on my side most of the night, I think.
The biggest noise was that X-bed.
It's noisy, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a noisy little thing.
If you move,
Yeah,
movement,
that's right.
you can hear it creaking.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All I could hear was this rubber man going on.
Creak, creak.
That's right. Beautiful morning in Wiltshire. Look at this, gorgeous. Look at the light coming through this strip of wood here. Wonderful morning. And a good meeting with Sandy. It's gone well.